back to my channel. It is your girl Sienna Monet, and I'm back at it with another video. So in today's video, we will be talking about this hair. This hair is from Ishow Hair, and this is their 24-inch human straight wig, and this is how it looks. So bomb, like literally I'm living for this hair. So if you guys are interested in this hair, all the details will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're already not, and we're gonna get right into this video. So also basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied this wig. I didn't use any glue, so you could call it a glueless wig if you want. But yeah, I didn't use any glue or nothing to put it down. It's literally like placed on my head and it still blends. You really can't even tell. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to get right into this. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the description box for all the details on this hair. If you're interested, I will recommend this hair 10 out of 10, baby. Go ahead and check it out. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get off this camera and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.